Applied Digital, APLD, has been trending after its CEO shared strategic insights during a CNBC appearance, alongside news that the company will spin off its cloud services business into a separate entity called ChronoScale. Many investors see this move as a meaningful step toward unlocking shareholder value because it allows Applied Digital to sharpen its identity as a pure play AI data center infrastructure provider, while Chronoscale focuses on the cloud and compute services layer. The restructuring has sparked widespread discussion within the trading community, particularly around APLD's sustained demand from hyperscalers, a segment that continues to aggressively expand AI compute capacity. Investors are also pointing to strong analyst sentiment ahead of the company's upcoming earnings report, which has helped fuel bullish momentum despite periods of sharp price volatility. Supporters argue that the strategic realignment simplifies the story for Wall Street, making Applied Digital easier to value as a capital intensive but high revenue visibility infrastructure company backed by long term contracted revenue streams. Meanwhile, Chronoscale is expected to operate more like a higher growth AI cloud platform, potentially benefiting from separate market multiples. Even with recent swings in price, many in the community believe Applied Digital is positioning itself to capitalize on the AI infrastructure boom, with a clearer business model, expanding capacity footprint, and deep relationships with major enterprise and hyperscaler customers. The next earnings release is being closely watched as investors look for confirmation of growth traction and revenue scaling across both business arms.
Okay, so APLD is heavily shorted up to 34%. It's also a high beta stock, meaning that it amplifies any move of the broader market by this value. So if the broader market is down by 5%, APLD will be down by almost, you do the maths, yeah, almost 35%. So down by, if the broader market is down by 5%, then you multiply what the broader market lost or gained by 7%. So statistically, that is what it is. It doesn't mean that that will always be the case. Okay, so we've noticed a similar pattern here on this daily chart and on the four and on the 4 hour chart. It is not anything to the upside. The extrapolation is not suggesting that we're going to get a bounce. It's more of the more of contraction, more of sustained contraction, more of the contraction that has been in place since the 20th of no, since the 22nd of December. Yeah, that's what we are. That's what the algo seems to be suggesting on this daily chart. It's saying that it's expected to remain depressed up till the 13th of January. After that, it might attempt to bounce, or it may go into a consolidation from then. And the 40 period moving average is also expected to continue to print lower prices. In other words, it's expecting that the stock will not go beyond this space here, not go be not go not it's expected that it won't go beyond this area here in the interim, at least up till the middle of February, especially up till the middle of January. This is just an extrapolation. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. The AI infrastructure stocks, they are facing headwinds right now. So, and also this is the year. This is the new year. This is a new year. January 1st, 2026. People have been trying to balance their books for taxes. We'll see how all of that will. And now that they may have completed that, we'll see how the new year will turn out. But the algos don't seem to be suggesting. I mean, the algos don't see anything coming up anytime soon. But we never know. Projections are saying beginning from the least 5.47, 9.76, 16.7, 37.79, 43.84, 47.58 on this daily chart. Okay, weakness is expected as well based on the price pressure momentum extrapolation. The algo seems to be suggesting there's that nothing is going to come up until maybe from the middle of January. There might be some momentum, and then we may have a bounce, if not a consolidation. But all of this are all extrapolations pointing to so many days ahead. No guarantee that that will be the case. From time to time, the 4 hour chart it tends to be a lot more accurate. From time to time, it tends to be, and here it's saying that it's going to remain strong. It might pick up some strength up till tomorrow's pre-market session, and then after that, it's downhill. It goes in a continuation of the downtrend is what is expected as well on this 4 hour chart. So nothing positive coming up. Nothing positive is sensed. Is suggested by the algos we have here. But you do the math. You find out what could possibly change the direction of these AI infrastructure stocks, including APLD. Here, momentum is equally suggesting further weakness as well. But in any case, projections are saying, let's see what we have, beginning from the list 15.58, 17.15, 19.7, and then upper projections of 31.9, 35.25, 37.31. Yeah, we'll see. It's, the extrapolations and the projections are all, yeah, projections are ambitious. Some of them it has a mix of down projections and upper projections, but the extrapolations are not suggesting that we're going to see anything coming up. But it does not mean that that will be the case. Okay, so see what you make of APLD. Before we go, let's see now the probability of it retesting 25.09, statistically less than 50%. Yeah, let's have a look at the daily chart to see what the probabilities are saying there. Yeah, let's see. Probability of it retesting 24.89, statistically less than 50% as well. Okay, so we'll see, but it doesn't change anything. It doesn't. It's not the end. We'll see how all of this will pan out. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.